Or are you going right on the line?
No, I'm not going to go right on the line.
Okay, got it.
Try and get really, really accurate with the Beverly shear. Takes a lot of experience.
Got it.
And plus, it leaves a little bit of a burr and everything if they're not absolutely perfectly sharp and perfectly adjusted. We adjusted this one in so it's minimum burr.
Oh, okay.
But I like to come in with the snips afterwards just to finalise. So if you run round it just like this, and then you can see how I'm just going close to the line.
Cuts nice.
Yeah, I sharpened it up and adjusted for these guys.
Great.
It was a little bit of a, so I'll let you carry on.
Okay.
And you come around all the way through to the end, and then we'll get the snips out and we'll cut some snips. You can do, or you can just run off the end, whatever's easier for you. Swarf-wise, you might find when you get down to the bottom corner, you might want to just run off a little bit, but leave about this amount of material down there, and you'll be good.
So